Hello guys! Today samahan nyo ako mag-deliver ng EcoSphere 3-in-1 cartridge filter. Remember, when the light indicator turns amber, that's your sign you need to change your filter. First step, remove the old filter by turning it counterclockwise. Usually, yung cartridge filter, tumatagal siya mga 12 months, depende sa gamit and syempre sa water quality. So now, it's time to insert our new filter. Turn it clockwise until it's secure. So guys, tandaan nyo yung EcoSphere logo, dapat nasa 9 o'clock position. Then, ito-turn mo na siya clockwise hanggang dun sa 12 o'clock. Make sure naka-align yung dot at saka dun sa lock icon. And that's it, ira-run mo na siya. Press the glass icon for drinking for 15 to 20 minutes. Orasan mo talaga to guys. Medyo matagal to, no? Parang flashing siya. Until mag-color blue na yung light indicator, ibig sabihin safe na siya to drink. Ito na ang sign nyo to say goodbye to water delivery. Switch na to EcoSphere UV Smart Water Purifier para mas healthy, mas safe at mas tipid long term.